Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm Srikanth Reddypalli, and in this video, we're gonna see why the cloud bill hurts. Cloud gives us incredible power, on-demand computing, instant scalability, and a pay-as-you-go model. At least that's the idea. In theory, you only pay for what you use, but in practice, many organizations end up overspending, not because they are growing fast, but because they are being careless. A small oversight, like forgetting to turn off virtual machine, can quietly rack up thousands of dollars. It's like leaving the lights and air conditioning on in a hotel room and forgetting you're still getting billed. In IT, some of the common examples of wastage are like leaving VMs running when no one is using them, over provisioning of resources like the just in case, keeping backup data which is non-compliant or no one touches, which is not necessary, or letting test environments to sit idle long after the testing is done. These aren't huge technical failures, but they add up fast. What feels like a 5-minute task can simply run into $5,000 mistake. And the bigger issue here is ownership. When no one is clearly responsible for the cloud cost, everyone assumes someone else is watching it. Engineers don't check, finance can't explain the spike, business leaders just assume that it's normal. The result, there will be a lot of confusion, frustration, and eventually a lot of finger pointing and blaming. But with FinOps, we can change this. It gives everyone visibility, it encourages ownership, and it makes sure costs are tied up to the actual business value, not just technical usage. We will see this with a real life analogy. A good way to think about this is imagine a company with credit card set to auto charge and no one is reading the bill. Everyone keeps swiping, no alerts, no oversight. Then it's kind of overspend, right? FinOps is the process which finally take a look at the bill, assigns responsibility, and stop these leaks. So to sum it up, cloud gives us flexibility, but without proper ownership, even small oversight can lead to big bills. FinOps brings that visibility, accountability, and control, turning that confusion into clarity. In the next video, we will look at what FinOps teams actually do to manage and optimize this kind of cloud spending across the organizations. See you there. Thank you.